Have you ever wondered how Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin, transformed from a potentially habitable planet to a blistering, inhospitable world? Dive with us into the cosmic chronicles of Venus, an intriguing tale of celestial metamorphosis. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is similar to Earth in size, mass, and composition, yet today it bears little resemblance to our home planet. In the early days of the solar system, Venus and Earth were more like identical twins. Both were born around 4.5 billion years ago, emerging from the same stellar nursery. They were rocky planets with thick atmospheres and, most importantly, water. But then, Venus began to change. About 1 billion years into its existence, Venus underwent a dramatic transformation. It started with a runaway greenhouse effect. As the sun grew hotter, Venus's surface water began to evaporate. This water vapor, a potent greenhouse gas, trapped heat and caused temperatures to rise even further. The rising temperatures led to more evaporation, creating a vicious cycle of heating. Eventually, the surface temperatures soared to an average of 467 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat triggered a process called thermal escape, where lighter molecules like hydrogen were lost to space, leaving behind a dense atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, Venus's rotation began to slow down. Today, a single day-night cycle on Venus lasts longer than its year. This slow rotation, coupled with the dense carbon dioxide atmosphere, led to the creation of a permanent high-pressure system, causing crushing surface pressures over 92 times that on Earth. Finally, Venus's magnetic field, which once shielded it from solar radiation, weakened and eventually disappeared. Without this protective shield, solar winds stripped away most of the remaining water in the planet's upper atmosphere. So what can we learn from Venus's transformation? It serves as a stark reminder of how delicate the balance of conditions needed for life is. Despite its initial similarities to Earth, Venus's water evaporated, its atmosphere thickened, its rotation slowed, its surface pressure increased, and its magnetic field disappeared. In this sequence of cataclysmic events, Venus lost its potential for life and became the inhospitable world we see today. A world of scorching temperatures, crushing pressures, and sulfuric acid clouds far removed from the blue, life-sustaining planet that is Earth. In conclusion, Venus's transformation from Earth's twin to a hellish world wasn't a sudden event, but a gradual process driven by a series of interconnected factors. It's a fascinating example of how planets can change over billions of years and a reminder of how unique our own planet truly is.